Alright, so what we're doing here is we're checking the head to make sure it's flat. A buddy of mine told me about this trick. Old timer told him this trick. What you do is you put a thin coat of oil on the head and you lay a piece of sheet glass on top of it. Sheet glass is going to be flat, and what you should see is a nice transference of the oil. I don't know if you can make that out, but what I'm seeing is that the oil is covering everywhere, which means this should be flat, which means we don't have a warped head. So time to put this baby on, see what we do next.